Hey, what's up everyone? So it has definitely been a while since our last video, and the reason for that is because we moved. As you can see, we've got a whole lot of Grizz gear on. That is because we moved to Memphis for Amber's job. If you want to tell them about what you're doing.
Yep, I'm now working for the Memphis Grizzlies, and I just finished my 1-year anniversary this last week. And that's why we haven't had time and kind of getting settling in to do these videos again. But within that 1 year or so that we've been away from our YouTube, we finished
the foxbody.
Yes, so we finally finished it. It took way longer than expected just because of the whole cross-country move, and yeah, it was a really good project for us. Gio did most of the work, but I did help, and here's kind of going through what we did.
So we picked the Mustang up as pretty much a bare shell. There was no engine or trans in it, no interior minus the dash, and just some ratty old seats. The first thing we did was make a list of the major things we were going to need, and of course, many little things popped up along the way. We ordered most of the parts off the website called LMR, which stands for Late Model Restoration. That's an incredible website for restoring these boxes. If you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend you do, since they are your best bet at finding the odds and ends like specific bolts, clips, harness connectors, and you name it. The most difficult part of the rebuild was some broken, rusted bolts on the engine that took many hours of persistence to free, as well as solving vacuum and ground issues to get it cranking and running right. There isn't much left on the car that isn't brand new, and as far as performance, we went with a simple cold air intake, long tube headers, H-pipe, and Flowmaster exhaust. And as far as interior, it's pretty much brand new inside. We were able to use the Brom seats from my S2000 as they were a much better fit in the Mustang. We also put in a new headliner, carpet, and door panels, as well as re-dyed the dashboard and installed a Bluetooth radio. Overall, it was a really rewarding process, and watching it come back to life piece by piece was really satisfying, despite the many hours of labor and all the headaches trying to troubleshoot it. Even though it may not be the fastest car, it at least sounds and looks really cool. So yeah, I think it came out really nice. Like, I'm really proud of how it looks. It runs and drives. It's really slow, honestly, but I guess that's given for a car that old. I think like a modern Camry probably smokes it. But anyways, honestly, our initial thoughts going into it was to build it, enjoy the time building it together, and then either selling or trading it for something else. But I kind of fell in love with it. Like, I wasn't a foxbody fan before this foxbody, like, honestly didn't like them, but now I do. I'm converted.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun for sure. A lot of fun building it, spending time with Gio. Took longer than expected, but I really love it. It's beautiful. You know, we put a lot of hard work into it and seen every piece of this entire build. So it was a ton of fun, but we'll see what happens. You know, like he said, we were initially doing this whole thing just to kind of upgrade or sell. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, all right, so stay tuned as we get more familiar with the Mid-South area in general, as we venture out, finding different riding spots. Yeah, we'll be hopefully posting more regularly again. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.